Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent airbag or electrical faults and to reset window switches. Wait 1 minute. Remove the small triangular interior trim at the base of the mirror using a plastic pry tool to avoid scratching trim. Set clips aside. Locate and remove any foam or weather strip. Expose the 3 10mm nuts that secure the mirror. Label the mirror wiring harness and press the tab to unplug it before removing mounting hardware to avoid miswiring during reassembly. Support the mirror from the outside with one hand while you use a 10mm socket to loosen the 3 nuts so the mirror does not fall and damage paint. Remove the 3 10mm nuts and carefully slide the mirror straight off the studs. Guide the wiring harness out through the access hole. Position the replacement mirror on the studs and hand start the 3 10mm nuts to hold it. Do not fully torque yet. Confirm wiring routing and door panel clearance before final tightening. Reconnect the mirror wiring harness and ensure the locking tab clicks into place so power, heating, and turn signal circuits are secure. Tighten the 3 10mm nuts evenly in a star pattern to approximately 48 nlb, 4 ft-lb to prevent stress and seal gaps. Avoid over-tightening plastic studs. Reinstall triangular trim and weather strip. Reconnect the negative battery terminal and test mirror functions. Adjust motor travel, mirror heat for a few seconds, and the turn signal and blind spot sensors if equipped to confirm full operation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.